Hey mates, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to run all the AI models locally on your computer, so you don't need to buy a subscription. It's fully private and it's uncensored. You can ask any question you want. It doesn't connect to the internet. We're going to use the open source model called GPT for All by Nomad.ai. As you can see, it's quite self-explanatory. Basically, you need to install the software and then download which model you want. So let's download the software GPT for All and go to setting and make sure that you use the correct path for the cache, your user folder, and then the location you want to install GPT for All. And let's go over the agreement. Give ChatGPT to summarize it, and you can see that you can use it freely and it's free to use, but it's not applied for the models that you download. So if you use models that have copyrights or limitation, you need to check it out before you do commercial use for that. Okay, after we install GPT for All, let's run it. As you can see, let's go to models. I already download like 3 models. Some of them are too heavy for my hardware because I use like very old laptop, like 7 years old laptop. But if you go over the models, as you can see, you have so many models to choose from. And you also go to reasoning. I don't know exactly what is reasoning, but you have more models here. Can you also use remote providers? Just generate API tokens, paste it here, and you can use it with GPT for All. And if you want to search for specific model, you can go to the Hugging Face tab and you can search for the model you want. I write a couple of names like OpenAI, Meta, and you see I got options. Okay, and if you don't know which model you want to use on your hardware, just go to ChatGPT and describe what you want to use. For example, here I ask for Python programming with 16 gigs RAM and GPU with 8 gig RAM and 60 cores. It's not exactly my spec, but just for the demonstration. So we wrote a lot as usual and give me a couple of names. Now I ask him about documentation summary. He give me other option. So let's copy the names he give us of the models and look for those models. Okay, yeah, so we got a couple of options. Let's download some model just to show you how to do that. And in the meantime, let's go to chats and load one of the models we have. Let's say hello. I see it thinking. This model was quite fast. Let's go to the snoozy one. It was quite heavy. And as you can see, it takes a lot of time. Let's go to the resource. It's eating most of my RAM, most of my CPU. My SSD works so hard. GPU, for some reason, it doesn't work well. I think it's something with the drivers. Yeah, as you can see in the bottom, it didn't load the GPU. I will check it later. Okay, let's try the last model. This one is super heavy. You see it consumes all my RAM. The SSD works so hard. And I wait like 10 minutes until it answers. I just speed up the video, but this model does not suit to my hardware and I need to find a way to enable the GPU. I guess it's different type of installation. Okay, so let it run. It's probably take like 20 minutes until it start to answer. Oh, okay, it start to answer. Nice to meet you. I'm speeding up the video. Okay, in the meantime, let me show you how to install it on Linux. Just download, I use Mint to download the Ubuntu one. There is no checksum, so I don't know. I hope that's the correct file, not a virus. And let's give the file execution permission, run the file, the installer, and go to setting and make sure that you use your user home directory as cache and not the root one, unless you want to use the root. And sometimes, even if you use the correct user home folder, it still install it on the root folder. So open terminal, switch to root user with sudo -i, delete the folder on the root GPT for All, and reinstall GPT for All and make sure that you use the correct user home folder. I don't know why it's happening, but and let's run it. Download GPT for all, and when it's finished, go to the GPT for all folder, navigate to the Bing folder and run the chat file. It's open. No, I don't want to send data anonymously. Okay, so it's same. Let's add model. I choose the first one I see. Download this one. Give it some time to download. It's take depending on your internet speed, and then it will install it. Okay, we have model. Let's start to chat. Hello. See, it takes some resources, but here it doesn't use most of my RAM. Probably it used the space on my SSD. Okay, it's answer. Let's tell him write a code in Python that take a name and generate a song. So he did it for us. Change the dark mode. And then he asked if you want me to run it for me. So I say yes. Show me in action, but it just show you how it's work. It doesn't run it for you, and it's take a long time. So I'm speeding up the video. Okay, that's what the script does. Let's copy the script. Let's see if it's working. Create Python script, run it. Yeah, it's asked for my name and it's wrote a song. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's working. Let's go back to Windows. And as you can see, this model Meta Lambda 3.18b take like ages, so I stop it. Let's go back to the smaller models. You tell a joke. You can ask him actually tell racist jokes and unpolitically correct jokes, and it will answer. And I let him write Python script that tell the time in each country. He did it for me. Now let him summarize this Wikipedia page, and as you can see, yeah, it have internet access, and he summarized the Elvis Presley Wikipedia page. So that's nice. Let's change to the snoozy one. It should be good with the documentation, so you can go to local docs and choose some doc file you have, and it will summarize for you. But unfortunately, I don't have docs file now to check it with. Let's ask him how to shoot a rifle, because I know that ChatGPT didn't give me answer for that. Okay, it thinks a lot. Let's speed up, and as you can see, it's tells us how to shoot a rifle. Let's go over the setting. You can see it's quite self-explanatory. There's not too much to change. Okay, let's ask him the new model we just downloaded. Let's ask him question. How can I get rich? And again, it's taking all my resources and think a lot. After 5 minutes, it starts to answer. Actually, it's answering quite to the point. Build a business, save to invest, compound investment. And then take like another 10 minutes until I got calculation about the compound interest. Yeah, it's taking ages. Again, it's depending on your hardware, and in this case, it doesn't load the GPU. I will show you how to use GPU. I will check it out. Probably it's different installation. And that's it. That's what I have for you today. I hope you like. Write in the comment if you have any question. If you can like the video, it will be great. And have a nice day. Cheers.